sad song. Ipalela majita this one. It's a song of a fate. I'd rather listen to your sad story than go to your funeral, you know. Let's speak up, share our problems, and try to help each other. Talk to someone. It's not bulal, my daughter. Ish.
Yeah, my heart is bleeding, can't believe it. Just buried my best friend, a young bubble soul, always laughing, couldn't tell. He was going through the most, but he was hiding it. I feel so guilty and upset, and it just makes me sad to think of all the plans he had and all the education, the hope he had about the future, all that motivation. What could have pushed him so hard to the edge? What could be reason enough to give up and let it end? Why not just talk about it, try to find a way around it?
Beketela, Beketela, masinyane tovuleka indlela, ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula. Beketela, Beketela, masinyane tovuleka indlela, ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula. Beketela, Beketela, masinyane tovuleka indlela, ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula.